Good morning, children. Today we will study about packaging. In the previous video we have studied about the branding, and I have already explained you that product mix contain of three parts: branding, packaging and labeling. In that branding we have already studied. Now today we will study about the packaging. Packaging is an act of designing and producing the container or wrapper of the product. So packaging is nothing but designing and producing the container or wrapper of the product. Why this packaging is done? Basically the main motive is to protect the product, and second is also to make it more attractive. So for the protection, transportation and attractiveness of the product, packaging is done. Good packaging often helps in selling the product, so it is also called a silent salesman. Now what are the levels of packaging? There are basically three levels of packaging: primary package, secondary package and the transportation package. Primary package refers to product immediate container, that is toffee in a wrapper or a matchbox. So primary package contains the product immediately, means if you open the product, if you open the package, you will get the product. So the first package is the primary package. Secondary package refers to additional layer of protection that are kept till the product is ready for use. So this secondary package is the additional layer of protection, and this is kept till the product is ready to use. A very good example is Colgate toothpaste usually comes in a cardboard box. So we can see that the Colgate is there. Colgate comes in a cardboard box. So that cardboard box is opened, then we take out the toothpaste, then we open the cup, and then we take the toothpaste, actual toothpaste. So this cardboard box is a secondary package, and this is an additional layer to protect the product. The third is transportation package, refers to further packaging component necessary for storage, identification and transportation. So this packaging is done for the storage of the product, identification of the product and also for the transportation of the product. Example, package of toffees are put into the corrugated box for storing at a manufacturer's warehouse and for transportation. We see that toffee is kept in a big boxes at the time of transportation, and this is called the transportation package. A diagram is given here which will explain you about the primary package. This is the primary packaging, Colgate. Then Colgate is again put in a cardboard box. This is a secondary package, and many this type of Colgates are put in a big cartons for the transportation. This is called the transportation package. Now what are the functions of packaging? There are basically four functions of packaging. The first is product identification. Packaging helps in identification of the product. If you see the Colgate product packet from the far away, you can understand that this is a Colgate packet. So it helps in the product identification. Product protection. Second function of packaging is product protection. The main function of the packaging is to provide protection to the product from dirt, insects and breakage. So the second function of packaging is to provide protection to the product from the dirt, from the insects and also from the breakage. So protection is done, then that is called the product protection. The third function of packaging is convenience. It provides convenience in carriage, stocking and in consumption. So the product also needs to be carried from one place to another. For that, big cartoons are made. Then it has to be stocked for few months or few days, and for the consumption purpose. So all these, for the convenience, the packaging is done, and it helps us in the carriage, stocking and the consumption. The fourth function of packaging is product promotion. Packaging simplifies the work of the sales promotion. With the packaging, it is very easy. If you enter into the showroom, you can easily identify your product even by seeing the package. So it also helps in the sales promotion. So these were the four functions of packaging: product identification, product protection, convenience and product promotion. Now, what are the advantages of packaging? There are basically 5 advantages of packaging. The first one is rising standard of health and sanitation. So with the packaging, the chance of adulteration becomes very less. That the chance of rotting of the product, destroying of the products become very less if the package is done properly. As a result, the health of the customers will also be good, because they will not consume the rotten product, and sanitation, cleanliness will also be there. Second advantage of packaging is self-service outlets. So when the product is kept in a big showroom, easily self-service can be done. So some of the traditional role assigned to the personal selling with respect to promotion has gone to the packaging. So easily, wherever in the showroom self-service outlet is there, you can easily pick out the product and keep yourself. If the packaging is good, you will be able to identify the product and you can take it. The third advantage of packaging is innovational opportunities. Sometimes innovation on packaging is used to market the product, like to protect the product, Tetra packs are used, which is very innovational. The fourth advantage of packaging is product differentiation. In the packaging, it is seen that color, size, material, etc. of the package is totally different, which makes the customers very attractive, and the customer will be able to differentiate the product and also the quality of the product. Today only this much. Thank you.